Watch patiently until the end, where all the valuable references about this video are compiled. Don't miss out. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Inia Tamil Amirtham. I am Annamalai Sugumaran. Today, I want to take you on an incredible journey through time to explore the awe-inspiring contributions of Nara Lokavira, a Chola general, to the magnificent Nataraja temple at Chidambaram, a tales through inscription. Have you ever wondered what it takes to leave a legacy that lasts centuries? What kind of devotion drives someone to create marvels that stand the test of time? Let's dive into the fascinating world of Nara Lokavira and find out. Nara Lokaviran, also known as Kalingarayan, was a chief minister and general in the Chola army during the reign of Kulothunga I, 1070–1120, and his successor Vikram Chola, 1118–1135. He was the chief of Arumbakkam and a resident of Manabil in Manabil Nadu in Thondai Mandalam. Nara Lokaviran led many Chola war campaigns in the deep south and distinguished himself in the Pandya wars. He had many titles like Madhuranthaga Ponnambalakuthar, Sabha Natak, Kalingarayan, or Koyal Thondaman, Mana Vilkuthan, Thondai Yarkon, the Lion of Kalinga. Nara Lokaviran is known for a number of benefactions to Nataraja temple in Chidambaram. He was responsible for the construction of two large temple gateways and for the expansion of the goddess shrine within the temple complex. He took interest in festivals and made contributions for the provision of lamps on the processional routes, watering the streets during the festivals, a bull vehicle for the deity to ride during the Bhikshatana procession, and a bugle inlaid with gold to herald the arrival of God Shiva. During the reign of Vikram Chola, Narlokaviran built the 100-pillar hall and named it after his overlord. Nara Lokaviran figures in many inscriptions of Kulothunga I, 1070–1120, and his successor Vikram Chola, 1118–1135, in many places, at more at Chidambaram. Imagine a time when devotion wasn't just a part of life, it was life itself. A time when the acts of a single man could transform an entire city's spiritual landscape. Nara Lokavira's contributions to the Nataraja temple are etched in stone, but what stories do they tell? And how did one man manage to create such a profound impact? As we walk through the gates of the Nataraja temple, the first verse of the inscription greets us like an ancient storyteller, setting the stage. It tells us that describing Nara Lokavira's benefactions to Sabhapti, the cosmic dancer, would require 100 marks. Intrigued yet? Let's see why. In the second verse, we learn that Nara Lokavira set up innumerable street lights. Picture this, a city, once cloaked in darkness, now bathed in eternal sunshine. Can you feel the transformative power of light? The third verse paints a vivid image of festival days, with streets watered with holy tirthas as Shiva is taken out in procession. Can you hear the chants, the music, the celebration in the air? Sounds of chants, the music, the celebration in the air, Panjavatya. Natarajar procession, Darshanam. Now, imagine 50,000 areca palms, watered by the Ganges flowing from Shiva's matted locks. In the Tamil portion, this number doubles to 100,000. Can you see the devotion in every palm tree, each one a testament to Nara Lokavira's faith? Next, we step into a sacred flower garden, extending to the sea. Trees tall as the sky, fragrant flowers everywhere, and gods themselves visiting to witness Shiva's dance. Can you smell the flowers? Can you sense the divine presence? At the sea's edge, Nara Loga Veera erected a mandapa. The waves invite devotees like open arms, and a broad road leads from the city to the sea coast for the Tirthayatra of Nataraja. Can you hear the waves crashing, calling out to pilgrims? Images of city to the sea coast for the Tirthayatra of Nataraja. Nearby, a large tank of sweet water with a banyan tree offers shade and shelter to pilgrims. This isn't just a tank, it's a sanctuary. Can you feel the cool water, the shade of the banyan, the serenity of the place? Nara Loga Veera's name adorns a great wall around the temple, with tall towers and resplendent flags flying high. These flags, heated by the sun, cool themselves in the clouds. Can you see the flags, the pride they symbolize? He constructed a 100-pillar hall, Chidambaram, where Nataraja dances with his beloved. This is where divinity meets architecture. Can you hear the divine rhythm, the sacred dance? Stone steps around the sacred tank, Siva Gangai, auspicious lamps dispelling darkness, and a golden hall for the recitation of Kumara Stotra. Every corner speaks of Nara Loga Veera's devotion. Can you feel the sanctity, the spiritual upliftment? He built a sluice for a big tank, ensuring irrigation for Brahmanas' lands. This isn't just about water, it's about sustenance, life. Can you see the fields, lush and green, thriving with devotion? Copper-covered Perambalam, a golden vehicle with Nandi, and a bugle inlaid with gold announcing Shiva's arrival. Every detail, every artifact, radiates reverence. Can you hear the bugle, the divine call to worship? Fresh flowers, gold vessels, pure jewels, and the nectar of milk offered to the Lord. These aren't just offerings, they're expressions of unwavering faith. Can you see the offerings, the devotion they represent? 10 perpetual lamps lit with camphor, spreading fragrance across the earth. This light, this fragrance, symbolize eternal devotion. Can you smell the camphor, the divine aroma? Golden water pots, vessels, and 1,000 milch cows for Abhisheka. Each gift tells a story of generosity, faith, and service. Can you see the cows, the vessels, the devotion they signify? Nandi, the goddess, Bhattacharya, and Kumara Thiru Jnanasambandha. Jewels, tax-free villages, and perpetual endowments. Can you see the images, the timeless devotion etched in every detail? Nara Loga Veera's contributions to the Nataraja temple aren't just historical records, they're stories of profound devotion, generosity, and faith. They remind us that true legacy is built on acts of devotion and love. So, what legacy will you leave behind? How will your faith and actions transform the world around you? I am Annamlai Sugumaran. Thank you for joining me on this incredible journey through the Nataraja temple and the legacy of Narloka Veera. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe Inia Tamil Amitham and share it with your friends. And let me know in the comments what aspect of Nara Loga Veera's contributions inspired you the most. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring. Do subscribe to our channel Inia Tamilamritham. References: Early Chola art by R. Nagaswamy. The Sacred Complex of Chidambaram by G. Mitchell. The Temple of Nataraja, Chidambaram by V. K. Subramanian. Chidambaram, Home of Nataraja by R. Nagaswamy. South Indian Inscriptions Volume 4 SII, Texts. Volume 4, published by the Archaeological Survey of India. Websites: Archaeological Survey of India, asi.nic.in. The Hindu, History and Culture, thehindu.com. Tamil Nadu Tourism official website, tamilnadutourism.tn.gov.in. Chidambaram Temple official website, chidambaramtaraja.org. Digital South Asia Library, diesel.uchicago.edu.